used to always hang out in the coffee house. Me and my sister. Just waiting for something else. We can't do anything. It's boring me out. And here in the Krispy Kreme SM Santa Rosa. And I'm bored to death. I can't. I want to watch Suicide Squad, but it's R13, so I can't because I'm with my 11-year-old sister. It's impossible. She wants to watch BFG, but I can't let him alone in the cinema house. Or can we? Can we watch? It's camera shy, but whatever. I'm having my iced cappuccino. There's a lot of people in the coffee house. It's kind of I'm kind of shy in vlogging. Whatever. Mango cake. You think this is funny? Huh? YouTube live, yeah. I'll upload this later. I want to see the outside. The weather is not so good today. But we decided we went out anyway. I love this coffee house. It's like friends all over again. She's laughing at me. Okay, whatever. If I had a chance to vlog again, I will do it. Just because this is fun, even though it's really embarrassing. So, yeah. I'm gonna see you again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.